You're gonna feel a little bee sting here. I need you to stay really still. Right there.
Real still.
All right, here we go.
Good job.
Got Jenny is rooting. Ooh, a little sting, right? Yeah, we got just a bit of medicine in there. We're gonna give it a little bit more. In this case, this is such a small area we're talking about here with the eyelid. All right, so we did get a little bit larger needle. What'd you get me, Jenny?
22.
22. Watch your fingers there.
Yes, sir.
22, right there. Stay very still. See that little white spot?
Yes, yes.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Why don't you push with your finger right there just a little bit? Well, if you turn it down, they can't see, right? Yeah, I think we got some. One more little push there. You still doing all right?
Good.
Yeah, I'm gonna go right there. And of course, always have to remember how thin the eyelid is in this kind of a situation, right? You don't ever want to poke into the globe or into the eye. That would be awful, right? Not funny, Jenny. I know you know about that. We would never poke somebody in the eye.
I know you won't.
All right, I'm gonna give it a little bit more of a squeeze. It's just something I like to do. And we are not having just a huge amount of success with getting anything to come out there, okay? I'm gonna give it one more here. Oh, it'd be great if that would just squirt right out, but it's just not. You okay, my friend?
Okay, still.
Little pressure on you there. So we've made several small tracks, okay? And they are kind of oozing a bit with blood, but also with some of the...
That one. Oh,
goodness.
yes, Doc. I heard that. Did you hear that?
Did you feel
Yeah,
that?
I heard that pop.
Wow, that just jumped right out.
Right out.
Okay, well,
much better.
well, there it is. You want to get a picture of that, Jenny?
I sure did. Really good.
Look at that. You know, I would almost save this for you to see, but no, we're not going to do that. All right, we're going to have to put a little bit of ointment on this. Now, when you get home, you're going to just do a gentle warm compress, okay?
3-4 times a day?
Yeah,
Yes, okay.
3 times a day. We got most all of it out. It actually just, wow, it exploded right out onto my finger. And I'm actually very surprised. So I didn't think that we would get that kind of response, but we did.
We sure did.
Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and dress this up for him. It doesn't have to be very tight, Jenny, just in case it bleeds a little bit. It is going to bleed just a wee bit.
Yes, sir.
All right. What did I
Good,
call you? Did I call you TJ?
TJ.
TJ, yes.
All right, man. You
Last name Hooker.
TJ Hooker. Okay. Yeah. You amazed us. Thanks for letting us video this.
Well, thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, Jenny.
Bye-bye.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.